So we are at Shorefields Holidays touring park that we've come camping. It's a nice little park. It's barricaded so you get a code to come in. This is obviously the entrance. You've got, if you get here before 5, you just check in at the reception over there, which is also a nice little shop. So you got your retro telephone box there. So you've got some, over there is loads of pictures for motorhomes. You've got a little games room there and a table tennis thing. Obviously it's not open at the moment. I'm not too sure if it's just seasonal. On the pictures it did show a little football table and that. Over here we've got a little free dog washing area, which is really good. There's loads of dog bins, waste bins. We've got a nice little play park here as well. Again, it's padlocked at the moment. Again, I would probably say that's seasonal, weekends, because there's about 1 or 2 kids here, that's it. And then you walk down that area down there and you've got loads more camping tents, loads more motorhomes. And then you've got a field, exercise field for the dog, which I'll show you the video for that area after this. And then this is the lovely shower blocks, which also I'll show, if you keep watching you'll see the shower block video as well. So this bit here is a dog exercise area, so it's gated, and as you can see there's wire at the bottom, so it's nice and safe for the dogs. So we're just about to go in there. It's a bit long grass, but I'm not sure. It'd be better if it was all just flat. And then over this side is this nice playing field, and as you can see my nephew's flying his plane. It's a nice little area. You've got a nice little tree walkway there as well. So here we've got a nice little washing up area outside, and this nice one in here. It's got hot running water. This is my one here. So as you can see, done all my washing up. Just got to rinse the sinks out. But yeah, lovely, nice hot water. We've got a little notice board here, and it's currently 10 o'clock at night, so it's all still open, which is nice, and it's all very clean. So yeah, there's a nice little washing up area. So as you saw in my video, this is a Lytton lawn touring park in Shorefield. In Milford-on-Sea, it's, as you can see, there's loads of different pictures. A lot of it is mostly caravans, but there is a few people with tents like us. We're going to give this probably about an 8 out of 10. The facilities are very good, clean, well kept. Like you see in the previous part, that even the toilets and shower block have music playing. Yeah, it's very quiet at night. You can't really hear the roads. And even though well, some people have already gone, but it's very busy here. But yeah, it's still so quiet. The only thing that we feel a little bit uncomfortable with is how close the pitches are together. There's not as much privacy, so which we'd like a bit more privacy. Obviously, there isn't much of a view. You're literally in front, like there was a caravan there this morning, so you're just literally looking at a caravan. If we turn our tent round, we're looking at another caravan or a motorhome or whatever. So it is, I would say, more for caravans. We've got electric hookup. I think we paid £28. You just literally pay for a pitch, depending if you're on tent, caravan. But yeah, it's definitely got everything you need. Like I said, it's got very good toilets, very good showers, all hot water, everything's free included. But yeah, like I saw earlier, the games room and everything, that's closed, but I presume that's seasonal. There is, when you look on the website, you apparently can go to, they have another campsite up the road, which is more of an actual proper static caravan site, which you can, it's included with the price. You can go up there and use their swimming pool. I think they've got a little bit of a pub up there and entertainment. We didn't do that because obviously we come camping just to sit outside and just be with the wild, really. But obviously it's not very wild here. It's just a lot of built up caravans and motorhomes. So yeah, this is definitely 8 out of 10 for us. Please drop us a comment if you've been here yourself. Let me know what you think of the park itself. It is quite big. Obviously, like I showed you, it's got a nice big field and exercise for the dogs, which is very nice as well. So I hope you enjoyed our review of this camping site, I think.